Met the American yesterday. The American that walked over the Urdaníz in shorts in that snowstorm. Yeah, and he just loved it. He was a comedian, I think. He made everybody laugh around the dinner table. Lovely dinner again. Everybody was new at the table for me, but I don't know. We laughed for several hours, 2-3 hours. Thanks to him, I would say, mostly. Can you hear the birds? I'm starting to realize that I should do this walk very spontaneous, and that I shouldn't walk in a group more than one day, I guess. Like, in that way I wouldn't meet the most people. So, apparently a few people die on this trail every year. Mostly older men in a heart attack or some born disease. So you can get your cross. You see a few of those cross, and they put it up if they died on El Camino. So I'm up in the hillside, I guess. The, I guess, normal Camino that almost everybody chooses goes along the river, but I decided to take this other one. It's a 8 kilometers walk that goes up here in the hills, and I haven't seen anybody yet, and I believe I won't see so many here neither. Somebody told me to take this route because it's nobody else doing it, so I will be here alone. And this might be the reason also not so many comes there. What do I know? Buen camino. So you're gonna shop new shoes?
Yeah,
Yeah.
flat ones. I
Okay.
have these. They are very good. You know, they're waterproof.
Yeah,
But I need a flat as well.
Uh,
Maybe take it.
yeah.
I'm gonna shop for a new coat.